जय हिंद एवरीवन। वसुदेवं सुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, कंस और चाणूर का वध करने वाले देवकी के आनंदवर्धन वसुदेव नंदन जगत गुरु श्री कृष्णचंद्र की मैं वंदना करता हूँ।
Jai Shardema children, till now we had learned about factors, multiples and divisibility of some numbers. Today we are going to learn about common factors and common multiples. Now we already know about the factors and multiples. We have to find out common factors and common multiples of 2, 3 or 4 number. Let us see by examples. Let us find out the common factors of suppose 12 and 20. To find out the common factors of 12 and 20, first we need to find out factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now same way factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now here are the both factor of 12 and factor of 20. Now we have to find out common factors of 12 and 20. So the common factor is 1 is common in both 12 and 20. So 1, then 2, then 4 is common in both 1, 2, 4. So the common factor of 12 and 20 is 1, 2 and 4. Let us solve one more example and see. Let us find out common factor of, for example, 18, 24 and 30. Now here what we need to find out factors of 18. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Same way factors of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Factors of 30, 1, 2, 3, 4 is not a factor, 5, 6, then 10, 15 and 30. Now we have to find out common factor of 18, 24 and 30. Common factor means the factor which are included in both all these numbers, that is 18, 24 and 30. So the common factors are common factors 1, 2, 3, 6. So the common factors of 18, 24 and 30 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Here we will find that if we find common factor of any two number, one is always there common, and the two numbers which have only one as their common factors are known as co-prime number. For example, if we see the example, we find out the example that the common factor of 15 and 16. Here factor of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. Factors of 16 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So the common factors are 1, rest all are not common. So we can say that the common factor of 15 and 16 is 1. Now such a number which have only 1 as their common factor, these numbers are called co-prime number. The number which have only one as their common factor is known as co-prime numbers. Now let us see common multiples. Common multiples of the number. Here also we first need to find out multiples of number and then we need to find out the common multiples. Let us see the common multiple of 6 and 8. So first we need to find out multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. The same way multiple of 8, 12, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and so on. Now this is the multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 60, 54, 60 and so on. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and so on. Now we have to find out common multiples of 6 and 8. So common multiple of 6 and 8, if we see that the numbers which are in both this, which are multiple of both 6 also and 8 also, they are common. So if we see it is, first is 24, then 48, 24, 48, then it will be maybe 72 and so on. The common multiple of 6 and 8 are 24, 48, 72 and so on. Common multiples are always infinite, as multiples are infinite. So we cannot count common multiple. Now let us do one more example. For example, 9, 12 and 15. Multiples of 9, 12 and 15. So, multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108, 117, so on. In the same way, multiples of common multiple of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, so on. The same way, multiple of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165, 180, and so on. Now we have to find out the common multiple of 9, 12 and 15. If we see the common multiple, first we have to see the largest number. The easy way to find out the common multiple is just see the largest number and find out whether 15 is there, no. 30 is there, no. 45 is there in 9 but it is not there in 12. 60 again there in 12 but not there in 9. 75, 90, 90 is again there in 9 but it is not there in 12. 108, 108 is there in both but not there in 15. 120 again it is there in 12 but not there in 9. So if we go like this, the common factor will be 180. So the common factors 180 and it will go so on. Now let us start exercise 3.4. The first question is find the common factor of 20 and 28. To solve this, first we need to find out factors of 20, that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Then factors of 28. Factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 20. Therefore, common factors of 20 and 28 are 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. So the common factors of 20 and 28 are 1, 2 and 4. Now question number C is 35 and 50. So same as similarly we had done, factors of 35 equal to 1, 5, 7 and 35, and factors of 50, 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. So the common factors are common factors of 35 and 50 is equal to 1, 5. You can say 1 and 5. So the common factors of 35 and 50 are 1 and 5. Question number 2 is find the common factors of 4, 8 and 12. 4, 8 and 12. As we have done here, factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now we have to find out common factors of 4, 8 and 12. So common factors of 4, 8 and 12 is 1 is there in all 3. So 1, then 2, 4, so 1, 2 and 4. That is all the factors of 4. The common factors of 4, 8 and 12 are 1, 4, 2 and 4. Now let us see question number 3. Question number 3 is find first 3 common multiple of 6 and 8. First 3 common multiple of 6 and 8. So first we need to find out multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72 and so on. In the same way, multiple of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and so on. Now we have to find out first 3 common multiple of 6 and 8. So first 3 common multiple of 6 and 8 are, if we see here, 8, 16 is not there, 24, then 48, 72. So they are 24, 48 and 72. So the first 3 common multiple of 6 and 8 are 24, 48 and 72. Now, question number 4 is write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. Here we have to first find out multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100. So, multiples of 3 which are less than 100 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96 and 99. These are the multiples of 3 which are less than 100. We have to find out the common multiple of 3 and 4 which are less than 100. Now we have to find out multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 which are less than 100. So they are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 50, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96 and 100. No need to write 100, and we have to find out less than 100. So till 96. Now we have to find out common multiples of both 3 and 4 which are less than 100. So common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12, then it will be 24, then 36, then we can say 48, then 60, 72, 84, and 96. So the common multiple of 3 and 4 less than 100 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. Let us see question number 5. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? As we had discussed earlier, 18 and 35. As we had discussed earlier that the co-primes are the numbers which have 1 as their common factor. Here we need to find out the factors of 18. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. So the common factors of 18 and 35 is equal to, here only 1 is a common factor, is equal to 1, and as we know that if any two numbers have common factor as 1, they are co-prime. So we can say that 18 and 35 are prime number. Let us see question number C, that is 30 and 415. 30 and 415. First we need to find out factors of 30. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Same way, factors of 415 are 1. It is not divisible by 2 as we had done in divisibility test. Now here we can use divisibility test. It is not divisible by 2 as the unique digit is 5. Now it is again not divisible by 3. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 10. So it will be divisible by 5. As the unique digit is 5 here, it will be divisible by 5. That will be 1583 and 415. Now if we see the common factors of 30 and 415, then they are 1 and 5. Here 1 and 5. Two common factors are there, 1 and 5. So we can say that 30 and 415 are not co-prime. 30 and 415 are not co-prime. Now let us see question number 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. Suppose any number is there which is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? Now we have to find out by which other number that number be always divisible. So we know that when the number is divisible by two numbers, it will be always divisible by the product of these two numbers. So 5 into 12 which is equal to 60. So if the number is divisible by both 5 and 12, then by 60 that number will always divisible. So that number be always divisible by 60. If a number is divisible by both 5 and 12, it is always divisible by 60 because we know that the product of, if the two numbers are divisible, then the product is also divisible by that number. Now see question number 7. A number is divisible by 12. Here it is given that a number which is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will the number be divisible? Now here to find out that which are the other number that particular number is divisible, we need to find out factors of 12 that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and so that if a number is divisible by 12, we can say that that can be also divisible by, if a number is divisible by 12, then that number will also be divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. That is the factor of 12. If a number is divisible by 12, then it is also divisible by all the factors of 12. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Now your homework is to write the remaining sum of exercise 3.4. Thank you.